Revolution! Now! Revolution!
Now!
Revolution!
Now!
Okay, calm down. Calm down.
Okay, I hope all the people they broke my left hand. The things that they stole from me, or people, I hope you are
Your glass is number one. I saw when they picked it up.
Okay.
Over there.
Hey, come on. Stop no.
Okay, calm down and come to this. Wait, relax. Press. Let's go. Let's go. Relax. Allow the leader.
He's in the custody of the
correctional center. That's what we wanted to hear. That's what we wanted to hear. Let's go.
But tell your guys to
yes, exactly. Exactly. Stay away. You stay away. Stay away. Stay away. I cannot push me. I cannot push me. I cannot push me. Come on there now. Why you pick the rice? 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 You. Why you pick the rice? Hand him over, please. The court ordered that he should be remanded in Kuje Correctional Center. And it's not your duty to escort him. Thank you. Hey, President. President, we are coming to see you. President, march with honor. March with honor. Revolution! Now! Revolution! Now! Revolution! Now! Revolution! Now! Yes. Move, please. It's okay. No. Don't push it. Take your time and speak.
When you are people steal billions to prison, you put them in a van. Why do you want to put me in
Black Maria?
What did I do wrong? What did I do wrong?
Is there another vehicle to escort him?
There is no any vehicle.
So,
we look for Uber. We follow you.
Yes,
I don't want to enter this thing because of my back. And you cannot put me in Black Maria.
Or you put him in a proper place. Yes.
Even if you want the DSS to follow us, let them give us one car. I will follow them. But don't put me in the Black Maria.
No.
Okay. Can you follow them? Yes. No, don't worry.
No. He's back. Listen.
I will go with them. Please don't make any noise so we don't make any mistake. Don't worry. Don't worry. No. Let's go.
He's back.
Where's his back? Follow me. All right, we're going to Kuje. Give me chance. All of us, let's drive to Kuje. Then they craze. What I say, she already approved the rice, idiots.
Give me the key.
Sorry. You shall Kuje, give me key. I will go Kuje. No, Sowore no go enter Black Maria. He has insisted he will not go inside Black Maria. So he admitted to go in the DSS vehicle to Kuje. Hey, hold on, listen. He chose that and he will not drive in the Black Maria. Okay. So we now will go escort.
Okay. So where is the DSS vehicle?
See, it's behind you. It's no worry, we will move together.